class 11 statistics. Chapter 7, graphic presentation. Of data. Hello students, good morning. Welcome to the class 11 statistics, chapter 7, graphic presentation. Today we will discuss the time series graph. Time series graph. In the time series graph, the specialty of time series graph is that in this numericals, the time will be given. That is, it may be in second, in minute, in hour, in days, in month, in week, in year, whatsoever time it may be. Time must be given, and this will be presented while we preparing the graph, time series graph, on the x-axis, and variables will be presented on the y-axis. There are two types of time series graphs. One is one variable graph, and second one is two variable graph, two or multivariable graph. These are the two types of time series graph. Let us see how to present the data with the help of time series graph when time is given. At first, we will consider the single variable graph, that is when single variable is given. In this numerical, single variable is given, that is, this is the sales and this is the year. In which year how much sales have been made. In year 2015, 2016 and 2017. Sales been made 5, 10 and 2. Now, how can we present this information on a time series graph? Here is the y-axis, here is the x-axis. This is the graph. Here is the origin. Now we will plot the different years on the x-axis. 2015, 2015, 2016, 2016 and 2017. 2017. Make it as a zero base zigzag line to present the this graph. Now the cells are 5, 10, 15, 20. So in the year 2015 it is 5. Plot here a point. And in the year 2016 it is 10. Plot here a point. And in the year 2017 it is 2. It is 2. Perhaps like here. Now join this scale these points. This is a time series graph of one variable. Now, how it will be presented in case of two variable graph. In case of two variable graph, it is presented like this. Here is the same, and this is export, and this is import. This is another illustration. Here it is 10, 15 and 5. Now, how if we plot this export, it will be like this, and if we plot import, we have to plot import. In 2015 it is 10, 15 it is 10, 10 is the here. Plot this point, mark this point, and now, second, 2016 it is 15. 15. Here. And in 2017 it is 5. 17 it is 5. This. Now, and join this graph with a scale of these points. This is a time series graph. This graph represents imports in different years, and this line shows the exports of different years. So this is called two variable graphs, and in this way various variables, multivariables can be depicted on the graph, time series graph, it is basically needed while we are going to present the score of cricket matches. It reveals the comparative view of the different teams, how much runs have been made by them, and import, export, income, all these in different years. It will, with the help of time series graph, you can represent. These are the various methods through which we can present the statistical data comfortably. That is, in the presentation of data with the graphic method, we have seen the various methods, that is presenting the data with the help of frequency distribution method, then histogram method, then the frequency curve method, then frequency polygon method, and then cumulative frequency curve method, that is ogive method, and lastly it is time series graph, in which time is given. It may be in days, week, month, or years. When time is given, then we will plot this information on the time series graph, and this is called time series graph. In this way, we have completed this chapter. You have to solve all numericals given in your exercise, and if there is any problem, you may inquire about it in the class. Now, rest is well. Thank you. Next day we will consider the another chapter.